Hi friends, today we are going to learn a new chapter from General Physics. It's from Mechanics. Chapter name is Quantity, Measure and Measurements. Let's learn about it. The contents shown in this chapter are Introduction, Quantity, Physical quantity and unit, Types of physical quantities and units, System of units, Dimensions of physical quantities, and errors in significance and significant figures. We are going to cover these all topics from measurements chapter simply. Measurements. Introduction. Physics is a branch of science which deals with nature and its laws. It describes the laws quantitatively and qualitatively. General physics, mechanics. It is a branch of physics which deals about moving bodies. It only deals about moving bodies. Quantity. Let's read the definition and learn the definition. Anything which expressed in number whose representation is totally numerical is called a quantity. If it is a number, it is a quantity. It's a shortcut or a short method. Example, population, ages of men, weights of bodies are only numbers. Population may be 1 lakh. Ages 40, 30, etc. Weights may be 65 kg, etc. Physical quantity. The quantities which are expressed in terms of laws of physics are called physical quantities. Example, length, mass, force, weight, density. The physical quantities are two types: scalars and vectors. Types of physical quantities. Scalar. Physical quantities which have magnitude only and direction is not considered are called scalar quantities. Example, mass, temperature, volume. Mass no need direction, temperature no need direction, and volume also no need direction. Scalars need not to obey laws or rules. Types of physical quantities based on directions are divided into scalars and vectors. Next we learn about scalar which have only magnitude, means value, means only number. Scalars have only number, no direction, only number. Let's learn about vectors. Vectors, physical quantities which have both magnitude and direction and obeys triangle laws of vectors and parallelogram laws of vectors. Example, displacement, angular velocity. Displacement need a particular direction in which body is moving, and angular velocity is found in circle in which the body is moves in which direction. And vectors are represented in the way line segment on the top of the symbol. Displacement symbol is S and its top of the line which gives us displacement symbol which denotes as a direction. Types of physical quantities based on dependency. Usually these are two types. 1. Fundamental physical quantities, derived physical quantities. Fundamental physical quantities are quantities which does not depend on another. It does not depend on another. Example, length, mass, time, etc. 7 fundamental physical quantities are there. Basically, fundamental physical quantities are length, mass, time. Later, current, electricity, and electric current, temperature, intensity of light, amount of substance were added. 7. Length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, intensity of light, amount of substance. 4 were added later. Derived physical quantities. These are the quantities which depend on another. Speed depends on distance by time. It depends on distance and time. Weight depends on mass and gravity. And force depends on mass and acceleration. Acceleration also a derived quantity which depends on velocity and time. Velocity is also a derived quantity which depends on displacement and time. All these are vector quantities. These depends on direction also. Units. A definite substantial amount of that quantity is assumed to be standard, which is called a unit. Characteristics of unit. It should be well defined, easy to produce, easy to compare, internationally accepted, independent of physical conditions. Well defined. It should be particularly defined, easy to produce, easy to make, easy to compare, internationally accepted means world full should accept it, and it does not depend on physical conditions. Types of units: fundamental units and derived units. Fundamental units, these are the units of all fundamental quantities. Meter, gram, hour. Meter is for length, gram is for mass, hour is for time. Types if units and system of units. Derived units, these are the units of all derived quantities. Examples: Newton for force, Pascal for pressure, Watt for power. There are 4 types of system of units: CGS, FPS, MKS, SI. System of units. CGS means centimeter, gram. In this system, length, mass, time are measured in centimeter, gram, second. These 3 quantities are measured in centimeter, gram, second. It is a metric system or French system. FPS system, foot, pound, second. In this system, length, mass, time are measured in foot, pound, second. It is a British system of units. MK system, meter, kilogram, second. In this system of units, length, mass, time are measured in meter, kilogram, second. These 3 systems are basically in earlier times, and now we are using a SI system, International System of Units. International Conference of Weights and Measures held at Geneva. Remember this place? Geneva. In 1960. When? In 1960. The SI system was adopted and accepted comprehensively consistent. SI system is extended from MKS. A question will come for exam. SI system is from which system? Answer: MKS system. Fundamental units of SI system. Quantity, its unit is meter. SI unit is meter and it is symbolized as M. Definition is 1 meter is the distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 by 299792458 seconds. Definition of meter is distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 by 299792458 seconds. Mass, kilogram, kg. Mass of a cylindrical alloy of platinum iridium kept at International Bureau of Weights and Measures in Paris. Mass of the kilogram. Mass is unit have kilogram, symbolized kg. Mass of the cylinder is given as 1 kg. Mass of the cylindrical alloy of platinum iridium which kept at International Bureau of Weights and Measures in Paris. Where? Paris. Time is given as second with S. Time taken for cesium atom to complete 9192631770 vibrations. 1 second is defined as time taken to cesium atom to complete 9192631770 vibrations. Electric current is given as ampere with symbol A. If two wires are kept apart with 1 meter's distance, 1 meter distance, and the magnetic force around it must be 2 into 10 power minus 7 newtons, then the produced current is 1 ampere. Temperature, Kelvin, theta or K, given as theta or K. It is the temperature at which it is the part of 273.16 part in Kelvin. At 273.16 Kelvin, water exists in 3 states. It is a triple point of water. In which states? 3 states: ice, water and vapor. 3 states. And it is called 273.16 Kelvin is called critical temperature of water. Critical temperature of water. And 1 by 273.16 part is called Kelvin. 1 by 273.16 Kelvin is called 1 Kelvin. Luminous intensity of light given with candela CD. Monochromatic source producing light with frequency of 540 into 10 power 12 Hz and in a definite direction, fixed direction with 540 into 10 power 12 Hz. And if the intensity is about 1 by 683 part of watt steradian. 1 by 683 part of watt steradian is called candela. Amount of substance given as mole. If the number of the molecules in an atom or ion or molecule is 6.023 into 10 power 23. How many molecules? 6.023 into 10 power 23. Then the amount of substance is called mole.